In this problem, I'm trying to figure out a relationship between the taxes which are charged to a company and the number of years of consecutive profit that that company has demonstrated. And there's a relationship between these, which is described in the table. We're going to try to figure out which one of these formulas matches the data in the table. So what you can do here, you could just guess and check. You could take a formula, right? Pick this first formula and plug in the years and see if you get the correct tax. So, for example, if I use the top formula and I plug in 3, I get 250 times 3 plus 300. Okay, so that's going to equal, if you do the math, 1,050. Okay, so clearly that first formula is not working. So we would have to move on to another one. Now, that's one way of doing it. I wouldn't do it that way, but it will get you eventually to the answer. The way I would do it is notice that the difference in step size between these different levels of taxes are all the same, right? How much are we going up with each one of these things? Let's see, 1,750 to 2,200. That's going to be, that looks like plus 450. And 2,200 to 2,650, that's another 450. And then it looks like another 450 after that. So you can see that the tax is rising by $450 per year of consecutive profit. So we're looking for something that has a slope of 450, and that is probably the quickest way to find the equation that we're looking for. But it's just double check. Once you think you have your equation, I'm going to plug in 6 for this guy. So the tax in year 6 of profitability, let's see, that would be 450 times 6 plus 400. We're getting into high numbers now. I think that's 2,700 plus 400. Okay, yeah, that's $3,100.